Hello everyone. Welcome to your own English learning channel Basic Bites Learning. Students, learning a language takes practice, patience and the right strategies. And I'm here to make it easier and enjoyable for you. So this video will give you effective tips to help boost your vocabulary, speaking, reading and writing in English. So without any delay, let's get started. So build your vocabulary daily. Learn a few new words each day. Use them in sentences to understand their context and meaning. You can use the flashcards or apps like Anki or Quizlet to memorize the vocabulary. Next tip is practice speaking regularly. Speak with others in English as much as possible, even if it's just short conversations. Practice speaking in front of a mirror to improve your pronunciation and confidence. So make it a habit to speak English daily. Read simple English books and articles. You can start with beginner level books, newspapers or websites. As you improve, move on to more challenging material. Try reading aloud to strengthen pronunciation and understanding. Watch English videos and movies. You are supposed to watch videos, movies or series in English with subtitles. You can gradually remove the subtitles as you become more comfortable. YouTube also has many English learning channels with useful tutorials. Practice writing every day. Start with simple sentences, then gradually work on writing paragraphs or short stories. Write a journal, noting down things about your day in English. This helps improve grammar and vocabulary. Learn basic grammar rules. Focus on grammar basics like sentence structure, tenses, articles, and subject-verb agreement. Use resources like grammar apps, books, or online guides to practice. Use English language apps. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or HelloTalk make it easier to learn and practice English through interactive exercises and native speakers. Now listen to English podcasts or audiobooks. So listening improves comprehension and introduces you to everyday phrases and vocabulary. So start with beginner-friendly podcasts and then transition to regular English podcasts as you progress. Think in English. Train your mind to think in English instead of translating from your native language. Start with basic thoughts and gradually move to complete sentences. Ask for feedback. Practice with friends or find an English speaking partner to get feedback. You can also join English learning groups or online forums to improve with the help of others. In this way, consistent practice and exposure are the keys to steady improvement in English. Try integrating a few of these tips into your daily routine. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing, stay patient and celebrate every bit of progress along the way. Thanks for watching and happy learning.